Hello, my name is Vikram Oli and my college ID is 170311. My project title is e-shopping, which is an Android-based e-commerce application through which a customer can buy their product of choice at a single platform using just an Android device and internet connection. So let's start our project. This is my project e-shopping. Let's start it. Starting. Here I have opened backend screen in order to show the connection between the front end and the back end. So now first let's register here. Our full name, Chrome, and email BIKRAM. This is the incorrect email format. So let's see what will happen if I input the incorrect email format. So mobile number 98. This is also the incorrect one. Address Kathmandu. Password 5. Okay, passport 5. Now let's sign up. Look, email is invalid. Please match the email format. So this is incorrect email. Let's input the correct one. @vikram.com. I think this is the correct one. Correct email format. Let's sign up. So now look, phone number is, the character is less than 7, so let's input more than 7. Let's now sign off. Yeah, we have successfully signed up. Look here, you can see in the back end we have successfully signed up. Okay, now let's log in. Email was vikram@vikram.com as the email, and passport 4 and 5. I think this is the correct one. Now let's log in. Yeah, we have successfully logged in. Here you can see here at the backend terminal. So now this is the user dashboard. So here is the 6 item. So profile, shop, my card, my order, news, and logout. Let's explore one by one. First let's explore the shop. Here we can see a different category: food, phone, clothing, furniture. Now let's explore one by one. So this is the food category, this is the phone category, and this is the clothing one, and this is the furniture. Now let's here. Now let's search for the product first. Here SAMSUNG. Yeah, here are 2 items named Samsung, so it has shown here. And now let's open it. Yeah, price is 80,000 Samsung. Description is also shown here. Brand, warranty 2 years. Added date is also shown here. Also we can give rating and feedback to these products. So now let's do it. So now I want to rate this product of 5, and this is good phone. Submit. Yeah, feedback added. So now let's see the feedback. Look, I have already added some feedback already. So now this is what I have input currently. So this is the good one, and I have given a 5 rating. So now this is our rating and review. So now let's click this, and now let's add this product to the cart. Yeah, we have successfully added this product to the cart, and some more product. Let's add this to the cart. Yeah, we have added 2 items to the cart. Yeah, here also we can delete this unwanted product if we want. So I don't want this school, so I want to delete this. Yeah, I have deleted this. Now let's order this product. Yeah, here is the billing address and location. Payment method is currently we accept cash on delivery only. So now let's confirm it. Yeah, product has been order placed successfully. So this is it. Now let's profile here. This is my profile. Yeah, now let's add some photo here. Yeah, we have added the photo. Now let's update my name, Bikrami. Now let's update it. Update. Yeah, profile updated successfully. Here you can see. So now let's check my card. Yeah, here is one item that I have added to the cart. Now let's check the order. Look, this is one product I have ordered, but this is unpaid. Unpaid here. This is the news section. Here we can update. Look, get news. Admin can post the news. So now let's log out. Now let's see the sensor. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you my sensor. I have used 3 sensor for login and sign up. I have used a vibration sensor, and for confirming order and add to cart I have used a accelerometer, and for logout I have used proximity sensor. So let's run our project. And now first let's register AMRAM. So the pin binary AMRAM at the rate ram.com. Mobile number, let's assume address KTM. For passport RAM at the rate 1 2 3 4 and 5. So converter R at the rate 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now let's sign up. You can hear a vibration. So, okay, so vibration. Now let's log in. RAM at the rate dot let's log in. Yeah, let's go to this is categories. So this is dashboard. So now let's shop product. So let's add one product to add cart. So now let's add this KFC. So if you want to add this product to the cart, we just need to check this product. We also have button option, but let's use sensor option. So look, we have already successfully added this product to the cart. So now for logout I have used proximity sensor. So we just need to put hand over this palm. So okay, so this is it for the sensor.